Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through fixing a squeaky floor. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is an afternoon with a screw kit or whether you've got a structural problem under the floor. Here's the scene. There's that one spot at the top of the hallway, or the whole area in front of the kitchen sink. Every time anybody walks across it, it chirps, or it groans, or it pops. A squeaky floor is not a mystery. It's friction between two pieces of wood that used to fit together. There are only three root causes. Subfloor separated from a joist, two sheets of subfloor rubbing each other at a seam, or the top floor moving against the subfloor. Each one has its own fix. Before you buy anything, diagnose, walk the floor, mark every squeak with blue tape, then tap the squeak spot with a rubber mallet. A solid thud means you're over a joist. A hollow sound means you're between joists. Use a stud finder to confirm. Squeak on the joist line is subfloor to joist separation. Squeak between joists is a seam or a top floor issue. Now, here's what the job actually looks like. If you have an unfinished basement or a crawl space under the squeak, that's the easy case. A helper walks the spot above you. You watch the joist flex. You drive a 2-inch drywall screw up through the joist into the subfloor, pulling them tight. If there's a finished ceiling below, you work from above with a $25 squeak no more kit. You find the joist, you set the plastic depth guide, you drive the scored screw through the carpet right into the framing, and you rock the head side to side until it snaps off below the surface. You tap the carpet pile back. Invisible. Seam squeaks get a 2x4 cleat under the seam, screwed to the joist, bridging both plywood edges. Stairs are the same pattern. From below, you screw through the riser into the tread. The mistakes that double this job: not marking squeaks first and chasing ghosts, driving regular screws through the finished floor without pilots or plugs, using the wrong screw on hardwood, trying to fix a floating laminate floor with screws, which will not work because the floor is designed to move, and snapping off the squeak screw before you've driven it deep enough. And one more thing. If many areas of the floor squeak, or if the floor feels bouncy under your feet, stop. That's not a fastener problem. That's a joist problem. Undersized, sagging, or spaced too far. Sistering a joist or adding a beam is a structural carpenter job, and that's where I draw the line on DIY. For the full diagnosis walk, the from below and from above fixes, the stair sequence, and the exact call when to bring in a pro, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.